In this video, we're going to be going over video game price charts in ThunderPOS.net. Video game price charts is a subscription database that is $100 per month per store, and it offers used and trade-in values on video games, on Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Pokemon cards. So we're going to go down here and into our items section, and then under data sources we're going to go to VGPC. We will find our price charting database. So this grid can be searched by any of the columns that have the little filter there. So you can search, in this case, by all of them. You can also sort by all of them. So to sort on the column, you just click it. And then you can click it again to reverse the order. So this should put, and then if you want to finally clear it out, you can just click it one more time. You can also filter, as I mentioned, so you can say like contains Zelda. And if we do that, it's going to knock out many of the particular items. We'll say we want to import Twilight Princess, for instance, and save it. And you can see it has brought it in. It'll bring it in with the default settings that we have chosen to set on this station. You can also quick import using this database. If you want to do that, then you just go into maintenance and then settings, and under store management, you will select it as the import database. And once you have done that, you can take an item here. So I'm just going to and take the item ID, and within purchase orders or within the register or within items, you can simply scan the item, and if you do not have it in your inventory already, then it will bring it in. So if we go to the hamburger menu here and hit quick import and scan that item using the barcode I just copied over from the database, then you can see it brings it directly in, and it's got our suggested pricing here from VGPC. But it does still apply the station defaults to fields that are not provided through that database. So we can save the item at that point and it will be brought in. And again, that can work from the vendor database. Now with VGPC, there is also a feature that has that others don't, which is that you can choose to update your database from it. And you can do that based on your settings here, which can choose to update used and trade-in prices and everything here. And when you do this, and you just, based off what you check and uncheck here, you can set like percentages to adjust it by. You can set cents to change it to, which is the last of prices only, not of trade values. And you can also select update new, and then you would just say update VGPC. And you can also exclude certain categories, departments, or vendors from it, or select specific categories that you want to adjust by a percentage instead of doing it on all items. So these are features that VGPC has that allows you to do bulk updates to your inventory. So that way, if you want to utilize their pricing constantly, since used pricing is much more in flux, or trade values are much more in flux as well, this allows you to do that. And that's one of the big benefits of this subscription service, is that it can allow you to not focus on doing your pricing. In addition to excluding departments, categories, and vendors, individual items can also be excluded. That's done on the item itself by selecting the lock prices from vendor databases option. But that should cover it. If you have any questions, just let us know, or if you want to subscribe to the video game price charting database, simply contact sales and they will help you with that. Or if you are on the auto licensing solution for your subscription, you can just subscribe to VGPC through that interface.